In front of me is OPPO Reno15 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can set up AppLock. Start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling to hit Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to hit AppLock and tap on gray switcher next to AppLock feature. Now you need to set privacy password you will use to unlock your apps. Hit Settings in the pop-up, tap on Use a different password type and pick one of those. 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, pattern or alphanumeric. Then create it, repeat it to confirm it, and if you want to link your account with privacy password, hit link or tap on Not Now to do it later. Set up recovery email in case you forget your AppLock. Tap on Question, select this question here and either pick one of those or tap on Custom Question to create your own. Then choose Confirm and remember to answer it correctly below. Once you're done, hit Done and lock your apps by clicking on gray switchers next to them. So when I go back and check any of them, I can see that privacy password is required. To disable AppLock from any app, go back, hit AppLock, enter it, and then select Locked to see all of your locked apps. Use blue switchers to unlock them, and if you want to disable AppLock altogether, use blue switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!